Okay, I'll start from back with this Toshiba. There is no number. You see the sign is missing, so I have actually no number for it. Yes, it should be sitting here, I believe so. Well, it has a transformator, and yeah, we look in the back. There is behind the spindle, and that spindle I believe is locked. We tried to fix it, but there is a card issue on this one, so we can't. It don't loosen its grip; it holds it tight. I have no idea what it is. We tried to get a replacement card, but wasn't able to find one, so that is an issue. There is a oil coolant, and the hydraulic unit is underneath. Small chip conveyor and tool conveyor magazine, I don't know what you call it. And that is not complete, as you can see, because they took it away. It should be, they have the parts, they're lying here on a shelf, and so the part is here, so we can just take it down. When we worked on this machine to try to work with the spindle and why it was locked, we opened up the protection covers here, so we took them away, and as you can see they're looking quite nice actually. A little bit dirty, but it looked quite nice. And if we look here, we have there is the protection. This is how the machine looks from a bit away. Take it a trip around here. Let's see how it looks. Your form. This is the program panel. A snook and another one. The table size is 160 in this direction, and the other direction, like that all the way there, is 140. Okay, we hold here.